education and the pursuit of knowledge in Islam. I have not yet been able to fulfill that promise, and even my effort to do so this morning would fall very short of what I should do because of the shortage of time. But I would like to point out certain things which will enable you to understand the status of this great man whose oath we are celebrating this morning. Islam has conceived knowledge at three levels. Knowledge of one's own self, knowledge of the environment, and knowledge of the entire cosmos leading to the experience of God. In the Holy Quran we are told, وَفِي الْأَرْضِ آيَاتٌ لِلْمُوقِنِينَ وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. In your earthly environment, there are signs or pointers to the different domains of knowledge. And within your own persons, there are signs and pointers and guidelines and guideposts to the different facets and dimensions of knowledge. أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. Would you not then engage yourselves in observing these signs of God and cultivating the knowledge that is connected therewith? In this verse we have been told about these two levels of knowledge. The knowledge about oneself and the knowledge about the environment which is there around us, this earthly environment. Then we have been told in the Holy Quran at numerous places about the cosmic phenomena. They have been enumerated, and then we have been asked to employ our reason, to employ our powers of observation, to probe deeper and deeper into the mysteries that lie in the entire cosmos and the entire universe, as we call it. Then this thing leads finally to the experience of God and a living conviction in the personality and His existence of God and in the relationship that exists between us and God. I'll read only one verse from the Holy Quran here. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إِنَّ فِي خَلْقِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَاخْتِلَافِ اللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ لَآيَاتٍ لِأُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ. Most surely, in the constitution of the heavenly bodies and the earth, and in the alternation of night and day, are guidelines in the realm of knowledge for those who use their wisdom, those who are wise, those who cultivate their reason or their intellect, ulil albab. And what is the method of doing it? As we have been told in the same verse, الَّذِينَ يَذْكُرُونَ اللَّهَ قِيَامًا وَقُعُودًا وَعَلَى جُنُوبِهِمْ. Those who remember Allah standing and sitting and lying on their sides, that is in every posture and at every moment of their life. وَيَتَفَكَّرُونَ فِي خَلْقِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. And they probe into the secrets, into those laws which govern the constitutions of the heavenly bodies or the entire cosmos, and especially of this earth where they live. When they do so, Then they arrive at a stage which is the stage of the realization of God, and they proclaim, as it has been said in this verse, Subhanak, وَيَتَفَكَّرُونَ فِي خَلْقِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ رَبَّنَا مَا خَلَقْتَ هَذَا بَاطِلًا. Their first realization is that this world and everything in this world is meaningful and purposeful. It is not meaningless. They realize the value and worth of whatever is there in their environment right up to the final boundaries of the cosmos. Then they realize, God, Subhanak, glory be to thee, glorious art thou. Thou art above every shortcoming and every defect. Thou art the most perfect being. Thou possessest perfection in every dimension of human conception and beyond that, Subhanak. And then the prayer, Faqina Rabbana Azab an-Nar. O Lord, save us from the doom of fire, of the fire. This fire is again a comprehensive fire. This fire is the fire of ignorance, of not knowing what we are, of not knowing what this world is, of not knowing what God is. This fire is the fire of deprivation of experience of God, which is the highest bliss for a human being. This fire, of course, in common parlance, is the fire of hell, which is just a statement because nobody knows what hell is.